Good evening. This is Rick Shanklin with the National Weather Service in Paducah, Kentucky, and here's the latest on the impending major winter storm. Near blizzard conditions are expected across mainly western Kentucky on Friday. A winter storm warning is in effect from 6 p.m. tonight until midnight Friday night. Total snow accumulations will range from less than 1 to 2 inches across the northwestern tier of counties of our region to perhaps as much as 10 inches across the southern parts of western Kentucky, especially the Paducah region. The precipitation will begin as freezing rain across southern parts of the area and then change over to all snow by daybreak across all of the region. Gusty winds and heavy snow will cause near blizzard conditions on Friday, again mainly over western Kentucky. Here's a look at the storm center at 4 p.m. late this afternoon. Across Louisiana, and this low will head to the northeast toward Alabama by early Friday, and the accompanying precipitation shield will also move north into our region overnight. In fact, here is the starting time of the wintry precipitation. We expect areas of snow and freezing rain across the southern parts of the area to develop through the mid-evening hours. And then by late evening, across the mid-sections of the region, perhaps Cape Girardeau near Marion, Illinois to Madisonville, Kentucky, and then across most of the rest of the region before daybreak. Freezing rain will again be the primary precipitation type closer to the Arkansas, Missouri, and Kentucky, Tennessee borders, but we're expecting a fairly quick changeover to just snow between midnight and 6 a.m. The last place for the changeover to occur will be across the southern Paducah region of western Kentucky. Ice accumulation forecast has been revised downward, perhaps around 1/10 of an inch or a bit more along the Kentucky-Tennessee border, with lesser amounts to the north. Total snow forecast accumulations again are expected to range from 1 to 2 inches or less across the northwest tier of counties, to 8 to 10 inches across the southern Paducah region of western Kentucky. Peak wind gusts Friday afternoon are expected to range from 25 to 35 miles an hour across most of the region, to perhaps as much as 35 to 40 miles an hour across the Missouri Boot Heel and far western Kentucky. The winds will be increasing overnight, tonight, and early Friday. This will create, once again, near blizzard conditions across western Kentucky in the area of heavier snow. In summary, the main area of wintry precipitation will move north across the region tonight, affecting especially western Kentucky, the Missouri Boot Heel, extreme southern Illinois, and southwest Indiana by daybreak Friday. The main types of precipitation expected are freezing rain, perhaps a brief period of sleet in some areas, snow, and strong wind. And the impacts, once again, near blizzard conditions are expected to develop Friday, with winds gusting around or perhaps above 30 miles an hour in some areas, combined with heavy snow. Isolated power outages are possible late tonight and Friday as wind speeds increase, especially in areas that receive a coating of ice followed by snow. And extremely hazardous travel conditions are expected to develop across all of the region that receives wintry precipitation, and those conditions will deteriorate through the day Friday and into Friday evening. That concludes this briefing for this major winter storm. For additional information, see our website for updates as we progress through this system. Thanks for tuning in.